Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Logitech G Hub not working or not opening. So the first step is you need to simply open up your task manager, and once you have opened up your task manager you just need to look for the option of Logi Hub. Once you search for it you just need to right click and click on the end task. So once you have end task completely, the next step is you need to uninstall completely. I have already uninstalled it, but you just need to search for Logitech G Hub in your apps. Simply go for the apps and feature and search for Logitech G Hub. Once you search for this, make sure to uninstall this. And the next step is you need to simply search for Logitech G Hub older version. Once you search for this, you just need to install the older version, because for most of the people downloading the older version has resolved this issue. So hope this helped. This is how you can fix Logitech G Hub not working.